Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro, a mid-range masterpiece. If you're looking for an incredible smartphone that delivers flagship-level features at an accessible price, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro is a force to be reckoned with. Xiaomi has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the mid-range segment, and this latest offering is a testament to their commitment to innovation. Let's dive into why the Redmi Note 13 Pro is a serious contender for your next daily driver. Design that dazzles. The Redmi Note 13 Pro boasts a sleek and sophisticated design that's both eye-catching and durable. Its contoured edges and slim profile make it a joy to hold, while its glass back panel adds a touch of premium elegance. With colors ranging from classic neutrals to bold, vibrant hues, there's sure to be a finish that suits your personality. A display built to impress. The real star of the show is the Redmi Note 13 Pro's stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display. With its crisp Full HD Plus resolution, vibrant colors, and support for a 120Hz refresh rate, this display delivers an incredibly smooth and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or playing games, the Redmi Note 13 Pro's screen will delight your eyes. Power to unleash your potential. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor, an efficient and powerful chipset geared for everyday use and demanding tasks. From multitasking to gaming, this processor ensures that your phone remains responsive and delivers a snappy experience. Paired with generous RAM options, you can count on the Redmi Note 13 Pro to effortlessly handle your daily workflow. A camera system that captures magic. Xiaomi has packed an impressive triple-lens camera system into the Redmi Note 13 Pro. Headlined by a massive 200MP primary sensor, this system delivers stunning image quality in various lighting conditions. The ultra-wide-angle lens ensures you can capture expansive landscapes or large groups with ease, while the macro lens lets you explore the world of tiny details. With software optimizations and features like night mode, the Redmi Note 13 Pro will be your companion for capturing all of life's precious moments. Stay powered and connected. A long-lasting battery is crucial in today's always-on world, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro doesn't disappoint. It features a generous 5000 mAh battery that should easily last you through a full day of use and then some. And when you do need to top up, the included 67 watts fast charger delivers lightning-fast charging speeds, significantly minimizing downtime. The Redmi Note 13 Pro also supports the latest connectivity standards, including 5G. Note, certain models may be limited to 4G, ensuring you're always connected with blazing fast speeds. MIUI. A feature-rich experience. The Redmi Note 13 Pro runs on Xiaomi's MIUI 14, a highly customizable and feature-rich Android skin. MIUI offers a plethora of personalization options, system-wide optimizations, and handy productivity features. Although it has its quirks, fans of granular control over their device experience will appreciate what MIUI has to offer. The verdict. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro is an absolute powerhouse in the mid-range segment. It delivers a premium design, a fantastic display, ample power, a versatile camera system, a long-lasting battery, and fast charging, all at a price that's incredibly competitive. If value for money is your top priority, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is worthy of serious consideration. If you'd like to explore more great smartphone options, be sure to check out the rest of our videos in this playlist or see our recommendations in the video description below.